Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact lock model and reading the quick start sheet because programming steps vary. Next, install fresh batteries, 4 AA in most units, and check polarity and clean contacts. Low power causes errors. Once powered, test the latch manually so the bolt moves freely. This prevents programming failures. Make sure to close the door while testing the latch under normal alignment. If it sticks, fix alignment now before proceeding to code setup. To avoid repeated, you now enter programming mode by pressing the programming button until you hear a beep or see a steady LED. Next, choose a 4 to 8 digit code that you can remember but others won't guess. Enter it and press the confirm key, often hash or a check symbol, and listen for 2 beeps. Once saved, immediately test the code twice from the outside with the door closed. Then program a backup PIN or admin code so you can change user codes later without factory resetting. You finish by checking auto lock and passage mode settings and adjusting the lock timeout so it suits your routine. This prevents accidental lockouts. Then run 5 complete lock/unlock cycles from both sides, including with a coat or other obstruction near the door, to confirm reliability. If something goes wrong, first replace batteries and reprogram the code. If issues persist, perform the factory reset and reprogram. Make sure to document the new code and contact manufacturer support only if the lock still misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.